So let me show you the product. Okay, I switched to a browser, and what you are seeing is actually the screen share of my Android phone. So I have SalesAnywhere running on my phone right now. First of all, like imagine I am a salesman. I'm outside of the office. All of a sudden, I got a call from a customer, for example, and he wants a quotation of a few items. Instead of waiting to actually get back to the office to generate the quotation, I can pull up the SalesAnywhere app, select quotation, and then select which customer, let's say Mr. Ronald Black. And then I can choose the items to include in the quotation. And you can see SalesAnywhere support product images as well. We can show the images inside the app, and I can also switch to a larger view to see the images more clearly. And this would be useful maybe if I'm at a customer site, I can actually show them the product images as well. So this time around, let's say this customer wants a quotation of these few items. Of course, I can go in and change the quantity. For example, this customer wants 5 of these desk lamps. And then once I'm done with adding all the items into the quotation, I can simply click post. And then what happens is the app actually contacts the Sage 300 system in my office, and the quotation is actually generated inside order entry right away. So quotation 97 is now posted into Sage 300. And what I can do now is I can also view and generate the quotation report, and that report will be the standard crystal report. Although you can see here, we actually customize a bit so that the quotation would also include the product images in it. And then what I can do is click share and basically send it to the customer right away. So any app installed on my phone that can handle PDFs could be used. So this time around, let's say I want to just use WhatsApp and send it to the customer. And then basically they would get the quotation instantly. That's quick and easy. Then the next scenario could be, let's say I am a salesman, but I also drive a truck and I have the goods with me. So I do customer visits and I actually sell them the goods right away. So what I would want to do on the spot is actually generate sales order and also invoice the customer right away. So what I can do is I click on sales. Again, I'll choose the customer, Mr. Ronald Black. And then here I can choose the sales type. I can generate just an order or order plus shipment. Let's say if there are cases where I'm shipping goods, but the back office is doing invoicing, then I can choose the second option. But now I want to also generate an invoice right away. And then let's see, I'll choose a few items. Let's say the customer wants these. And then, of course, I can change quantity, etc. Once I'm done with this order, click post. We also have a signature feature. So it's an option you can turn on and off. Right now, I have it turned on. The app would require the customer to sign. So I can hand over the phone to the customer. They can sign the document, confirm. And then the order, the shipment, and also the invoice would be posted into 300. So invoice 293 is now ready. If I choose view, you can see I have an invoice here with the customer signature, verifying that the goods are received. And same thing as quotation, I can also click share and then send it to the customer. I can also take payment right away. So if I click payment and choose the payment code, so the payment code here, let's say is master, which is set up in Sage 300 sample data. I can click on charge payment, and I can take the credit card information from the customer. So let's say the card number is this. It's a Visa. And the expiry date and CVV, and then click click pay. As I mentioned before, right now the integration is with a payment processor called Stripe, but we can also add other payment gateways later. So right now the payment is successful, it comes back, and then the payment is actually added into AR as a receipt. So you can see this is actually the AR receipt document number, the payment number. So that is a very simple process. When I'm doing sales outside, I can actually generate order, invoice, take payment, all within the app, and then these are all done without the need of doing any more data entry later when I go back to the office.